What is up, guys? As you guys can tell behind me, it is dark out night. We're in crunch time for 622 for La Chuyiza. We are working on La Una right now. Guys, it's looking fucking impossible to be getting that truck done. We still got a lot of shit to do. We gotta pipe it up, we gotta do the intercooler, we gotta do the electrical fans, we gotta do the little small transmission fan, we gotta put the transmission on. It's just chingos of my mouth. We gotta do the gas cell tank. I totally forgot about that shit. We gotta do so much work to that truck. It's almost looking impossible. We have 1 week to do this shit. Think we get it done? You think we get it done? I think we get it done. It's ESPINO'S tires, you know? So we make it easier for you guys. You know what? I'm gonna shut the fuck up and I'm gonna show you guys what the fuck we're gonna start to the truck. I was talking about performance right now. Let me show you this 12-inch sub that we are gonna go for on the truck. For next week, it's only gonna have 2 12s, slims by sundown. It's gonna have the headliner with 4 DS18 red tips, 2 6.5s on the door, and with the tweeters as well. Then eventually we'll be adding the titty panel with 6 6.5s and 2 pairs of tweeters. But yeah, this is our setup that we're going for next week. 12-inch fucking slims. We want to be, I mean, if I'm building a truck, I might as well fucking build it right, you know, fucking badass. Go big or go home. That's what they say here in Texas, don't they? Got here 12-inch subs, baby. Let's go. Let me show you outside real quick. So look, follow me real quick. Thank you, bro. You can catch it here. You can cop it here at ESPINO'S.com. So, right here, we are working on the box. This is gonna be our custom ported box for our 12-inch subs that is going to go behind the seats. Here, we're gonna also add a titty panel that's gonna go in between the seats. We can kind of see it a little bit. And then, eventually, we're gonna do the 6 6.5s. So, like, come this way. As you guys can know, if you're gonna do something that big with the fucking box, it's gonna sound all fucking vibration and shit. That's why you gotta add this fucking port at the end to let the airflow go by. Check this shit out. And then on this side, we got the crunch time going on right now. We got our boy Manny and Pablo fixing up the truck. Here we are right now installing the radiator, the two cooling engine fans. Look at this. Doing the harness, doing the manifold, the turbo, but there's still a lot more to go. We still gotta pipe it up. We still gotta do the, like I said, the engine cell. We still got chingos of mamas to fucking do. So this is the update on La Una. We got our bed on that way, and we got 1 week to go. So let's see if we fucking make it out there in La Chuyiza. We'll see you there. Hey, ain't no stock on this motherfucking block, baby. Let's go.
Commercial.